Magic.
Wait. Go ahead.
Okay. Hey guys. Today we have a surprise. Drum roll, please. Show them. A package.
Slime came. I'll give you the honors.
I don't know how to open it.
Do you need help? I'll be the trash man.
I see it.
Let me see if I can rip it. Oh, there's one. Got the magic boba.
Yes, it's Magic Boba DIY kit. I have it, but I don't have it.
You want me to rip it?
Yeah. If we had scissors, though, this would be much easier. Oh, that was much easier.
I'll be scissors. Then what do we got?
We got Magic Boba's DIY slime kit. And it's from peachybbies. Then we got a thank you note, a bracelet, and two stickers.
Nice.
Hooray. And I think that's all, except for this, the receipt.
We don't need that.
Okay, I'm so excited.
We'll start with the little one?
Oh, yeah.
Or
mixed
you want
it
to start
in.
with that?
Oh!
And, oh, it's hot out.
Oh, yeah.
Oopsies. Do you want to use that as a...
Yeah. It's still slime, though. Oh, nope. Whoops.
A little wet. Probably from sitting outside.
Yeah, you should have brung it in. Or somebody. As soon as Mommy got it, she should have brung it in!
I wonder if this one's going to be the same way.
I'm scared to. We might have to bring it inside.
We may have to have part 2.
Yeah! Okay. We'll just put that lid on.
Here. You got it.
My hands! No! At least it's not that sticky. You can just rub it. We can get it up.
Maybe.
We got these charms and stuff, the boba things.
Maybe we should check this. Oh, it might be... Just be careful.
Bubble.
Instant bubble. Is it pretty wet?
I don't know, I haven't... Oh, it's fine.
It's fine.
Uh-huh.
Whoa. Maybe not.
We might need the activator. That's the activator thing.
Oh,
The rod. Can you get it, please?
Yeah. Got it on me, too.
Oh, it's fine. We can get that.
We may have to do it a little bit.
Oh my gosh, peachybbies is like my favorite slime. Shout out to peachybbies.
Hold on, you're getting me. So what should we do? Spray your hands?
No, we just sprayed the slime. I think that's good. Oh, it's so good. Can you add a little more?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, peachybbies. You want to feel it?
No, I'm just trying to get the blue off my hands.
Okay. You just mix it in, it's fine. You get it?
Yeah, it's all crumbly.
Crumbly. Oh! Whoa!
Uh-oh.
I'm holding over this. Or this.
Does it still need more? I think it might
Just like 2 or 1 more.
I think it's too hot.
Guys, this might be a part 2. There might be a part 2. It's so good pops.
Oh, that's good.
I think this might be the part 2, so we'll see you later. Bye!